Hi, good morning everybody. Teacher Diane here. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day. We are going to do the exercise B, page 62. Please pause the video and read the text at page 60 and 61. You're back. Are you ready? Please open your book at page 62, exercise B. What is scanning? Without reading a full text, you can find the main ideas and do the scanning exercise. To scan, you can do this. Rapid moving eyes over text to locate specific details. Already know what you want to look for. Search keywords, looking for specific words, numbers, names, etc. Headings or titles. This technique is for the reading comprehension. Let's try it. The instruction is: underline the sentences that explain how to make a paper airplane. How to make is keyword. So, look the text and found the keywords. First, then, fold, next, and after. Finally, write the underlined sentences in order. Did you like this class? It was interesting, right? See you soon. You have a good day. Bye-bye.